What's good, YouTube and Underground family? It's your boy Nugget, back again with another video for you guys. And today we have something special. Today we have an unboxing of the Kaido House grasshopper, the Tammy Kaido House collab. Yeah, this is definitely something that's cool. Like, I missed out on the Hornet collaboration they did with this company. The big deal is this livery was on their 1970s, one of their best-selling hobby grade remote control cars by this company, like tamiya. Terrible at pronunciation. But yeah, that's the box. Like, it's pretty legit, it's pretty cool. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Let's see if we got a chase. I've been trying to see if, like, maybe one day I can get a chase, and like I refuse to pay for it like outright from a scalper. Like, I don't know if you guys know or not. Like, if you're new to the channel, probably not, but we have an eBay store that we sell some hard to find and rare Hot Wheels. I have a link in the comments below. Okay, there it is with the plastic off. Let's see what the inside of the box looks like. If I can get it open. Oh, there's a piece of plastic on the ends. Okay, no wonder. Derp. Let's go ahead and cut that. Cool. Alright. Nice. It says grasshopper on the inside there, with the green and then the red 35. Nice. They always do a really cool job with the unboxing experience. No, it's not a chase, but it's definitely still sick. Wow. Let's carefully. Nice. Dude. There she is, bro. The seats are white. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's got the green roll cage. The Kaido House. Wow. I really like this body kit. I have another R34 from Kaido House, but it doesn't have this type of body style. It's really cool. Really sick. Let's see if I can get the hood open. Nice. I don't know if you guys can see that. It says tamiya or something on the engine right there. Wow. Super cool. Really cool. What does it say on the front there? The headlights, they really put the detail. They even have the tiniest little GTR in the front right here. And the rims on the inside look like the Workmeisters. Let's see, this is the bottom. The classic Kaido House oil slick bottom. Super sick. It says Grasshopper Team here on the side, and Joker. It says Hypercam Engineering on the side here. It says Grasshopper on the wing. Like, all the little details are really what make this, like, it's so great. Then it says Tamiya on the back. Then it's got the exhaust system with the diffuser. So cool. Like, wow, what a great addition to the collection with the white racing seats on the inside. Such a great addition to the collection. Yeah, if you guys don't know, I do a lot of photography with my in my free time, and if you guys follow the channel and decide to subscribe, you'll see some photos of this in the future. And yeah, if you made it this far in the video, I assume that you like car culture on some level. We record a lot of car meets and car shows, so if you guys get bored, definitely go ahead and check that out. But until next time, thanks for making it this far. Stay safe out there. Be good or be good at it. Later.